So far in team basics, we have talked about the types of teams, we have talked about the team stages, and we have talked about team tools. Now the fourth topic in this team basics is communication methods. So once you are working as a team, you communicate with the team. So as a team, we need to communicate with each other, and most of the times we do that in a meeting. Few things which we need to understand as a part of meeting management is that any meeting, whenever we have, needs to have an agenda. So if you publish an agenda beforehand, then everyone comes prepared for that particular purpose, for that particular agenda item. One thing you should remember is that all these team members have come from different areas, different disciplines. They leave their job and they have come for this project. So you need to make sure that their time is utilized effectively. So first thing as a team management needs to be that have an agenda so that everyone comes prepared. Then you need to have time management. This is the starting time, this is the ending time. Make sure that the meeting starts in time and ends in time. Because again, people have come from different areas. They need to go back in their own work area and do their own work. As a meeting management, another important thing is that you need to assign work to these participants. Each participant will have some work to be done before this meeting, and that work need to be presented in the meeting. So you will be assigned the work by the green belt or the black belt who is leading this project. But as a team member, as a yellow belt, you need to make sure that whatever work has been assigned to you, you do that work before attending that meeting. Many times the project status report will be reviewed during this meeting, and then you need to have right people in the meeting. Make sure that people who are required are able to attend the meeting, and you need to have right resources. And when I say right resources, many times that might mean that you need to have a projector or whatever tools or whatever requirements you have. You need to make sure that these things are available in the meeting. And every meeting should have a minutes of meeting, because that will tell that what all we have discussed in the meeting and what all works to be done by individuals before the next meeting. So whosoever is leading this project needs to be really aware of these items, but even the members who are attending this meeting need to make sure that they do whatever work has been assigned to them so that the time of everyone is utilized effectively. So with this, we finish our section on team basics, where we have talked about types of teams, where we have talked about the life cycle of the team, where we have talked about 3 tools related to team working, which were brainstorming, nominal group technique, and multi-voting technique. And here in this last section, we have talked about meeting management, that how do we manage meetings effectively.